Many women get enough breast lift from a small augmentation, and that is usually cheaper, quicker, and simpler than the breast lift operations. Those that really do need a lift, there are 3 degrees of lift available, and of course the smaller degree is cheaper and the biggest degree is the most expensive. A nipple lift is $2,500. The vertical lift that leaves a vertical scar from the crease right up to the bottom of the nipple runs about $4,000. The anchor scar, which is still the gold standard for the patients that really need a lot of lift and want to be youthful again. But the vertical scar has certain drawbacks, and those have been removed by a new procedure developed in Canada called the no vertical scar breast lift. This gives all the advantages of the gold standard anchor incision without the vertical scar and without the sometimes delayed healing that vertical scar causes. The nipple lift runs $2,500, the vertical lift about $4,000, the anchor incision about $5,000, and the no vertical scar $5,055.